Hi there, I'm Holly Wade and welcome to my newest course, Monetization for Bloggers. In this course, we're going to go over the different ways that you can make money through your website, no matter what topic you blog about. I personally have been blogging for less than 2 years, and several months ago I was able to take the plunge and begin freelancing full-time doing what I love. And I want to help you be able to do the same. So no matter how long you've been blogging, no matter what you blog about, there is a way for you to earn money through your website, and I'm going to help you find what works best for you. First thing you need to understand is that everyone's going to be different, especially based on some smaller blogs versus some larger blogs, or maybe you're just getting started or you're very experienced in your blogging efforts. And that's okay. There's going to be something for everybody, but the most important thing you need to know is that your audience is most important. So you want to think about what they want, what they would respond to, so that you can give them content that still earns you money, but gives them what they want so they continue to come back to your website. So we're going to discuss everything from sponsored posts to affiliate marketing, advertisements, digital and physical products, knowledge sharing, guest posts, and anything else that might help you make a buck through your website and continue growing. So without further ado, let's get started.